About 60,000 users are currently using this extension to create videos for their AI automation channel. And here's how they are doing it. Come to your Google browser and type Grok AI automation and it will take you to this interface. I haven't added it yet to my Chrome, and all I need to do is to click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. Come to your Grok AI website and then click on Extension. Then click on Grok Automation. Now let me run you down through the interface. Here, this is where you change your language to English or whatever language you can understand. Come down here, we have text to video, which is the same thing you do on Grok. You can click here, then paste your prompts and then write, maybe for instance, a video of a dog running. Let's assume that is the prompt that we want and then click on run. It has generated a video of a dog running via the prompt that we gave to it. This is what this AI can do. The next thing we have here is frame to video, whereby you upload an existing image in order to create videos for it. You can upload an existing image and then give it a prompt to create a video for it. From there, you now paste in your prompts here. This way you paste in your prompt and then it will generate a video for you. So the next option here is text to image, where you can generate images using text. So all you need to do is to come here and paste in your prompt and it will automatically generate the image for you. And the last one here is image to image. When you want to maintain consistent characters, this is the option you use to create similar images for your videos. For instance, you click here to upload the image. Let's say we want to give it this prompt, the cat is in the house, because currently the cat is on the road. We can give it the cat is in the house, and let's click on generate. As you can see, it has generated similar images and places the cat in the room. This is how you can use this extension. Let's explore the settings and let me show you some of the exciting features this have. The default mode is always text to video. You can change your default mode to frame to video depending on what you are always using it for, text to image or image to image. You can always change it. This is where you change your aspect ratio. Maybe you want to do it for shots or square or portrait or landscape. This is where you change your output video per prompt. If you want 2 videos per prompt, 3 videos per prompt, this is where you can enable that, so that whenever you are generating your video, it comes in 2, in 3, in 4 per single prompt. Then output image per prompt. This is where you set your output image. If you don't want it to generate much images for you, you just want 2 or 3 different samples, this is where you set it. Now this is for the video duration, 6 seconds. For free users, you can only use 6 seconds. But if you want to use more than 6 seconds, which is 10 seconds, you have to use the premium version of Grok in order to generate the videos. Now the last thing I would like to show you here is setting your output size to 720p. That is a great resolution you always want to go for, and also you can set your language to English or whatever language you feel you understand here, and then click on save setting. Let me show you how creators are using this to make at least $1,000 a month. Let's say you are on the motivational niche. Now you can come to ChatGPT and paste in this prompt, something like this, and say, I want you to create a video based on this topic, never give up. This is for a motivational video style. With every 6 seconds of the voiceover based on what is said in the voiceover, include the video to generate the first 6 seconds of the voiceover. It must continue that way down to a 3-minute video. On the video prompt, make sure all elements are highly specified in each. So you can change this to 6 minutes, you can change it to 5 minutes, or whatever length of the videos you are looking for. Then when you're done with that, all you need to do is just click on generate. Tell the AI to just rewrite out the prompt, so you can just copy them and paste. Copy your prompts and then come to Google Docs, right click to paste them. Then I'll advise you edit them out in such a way that remove the voiceover and leave only the video prompt. Now that all our video prompt is ready, copy them and come back to Grok AI. Make sure you select the text to video and then come down here and paste your prompt. As you can see, it has highlighted all the video prompts for us. So all you need to do is to click on run. It will automatically generate this video for us. Then as it is running, now the next thing is to create our voiceover. So I will tell ChatGPT to write out all the voiceovers in one script. Now when that is done, click on to copy here, then move to your voice generation. You can also use 11 Labs for this, but sometimes you can also use Google AI Studio. So for today's video, I'll be using 11 Labs. Right click to paste your voiceover, and then you can move ahead to make some enhancement by clicking here to add some audio tags. What this does is that to make it sound more realistic and better. You can also click here to listen to the models and look for the one that best fits your audio. But for me, I already have a model here that I selected. So go ahead and make your changes, and then when you're done with that, click on generate speech. Now 11 Labs have provided you with two different options. Go ahead and listen to them, and then choose the one that best fits your audio, and then click on download.
They told you it was impossible. They said you weren't good enough. They laughed at your dreams. They doubted your vision. They questioned your ambition. And for a moment, you almost believed them. You failed once. You failed twice. You fell harder than you ever expected.
I like to edit my audio to make it sound realistic. So the tool I use is Audacity. Just come to your Google and type Audacity. When you type on Audacity, click on this one here with this logo. Come here, you will see download. Please, Audacity is 100% free. You don't have to pay. This is a free tool for you to use to edit your audio to make it sound realistic. Now on the Audacity, import your audio that you downloaded from 11 Labs. I'll show you 3 effects here that you can add to make your audio sound more realistic. Now the first thing I do here is to click on the effect. This is where we have the effects rack that you want to add effects to your audio. The first effect you want to have is bass and treble. So click here to add effects, Audacity, bass and treble. Now you can set this to 12. This is more better on 12, and also set this to 10. Why I'm doing this, because it is more of a male voice, and then listen to it.
Written as one continuous, powerful narration.
Remember, you can also tweak these numbers in order to match the audio, how it is sounding on your end. So the next effect that I put here is compressor. Audacity, put compressor. Click on the preset and setting, come here to factory preset, and then look for fat vocals, and then preview it to listen.
They told you it was impossible.
The last one you can add here is the limiter. Audacity, and click on limiter. Still here on the presets, you can look for the one that is very okay. This one is voiceover limiter. Since we are doing voiceover, so I think this will be very okay. Listen to it, keep on adding the effect and tweak the one that sounds well for you, and then this is how your audio should sound like when you're done editing it.
They told you it was impossible. They said you weren't good enough. They laughed at your dreams. They doubted your vision. They questioned your ambition. And for a moment, you almost believed them.
Now the next thing we do is to put everything in CapCut or Premiere Pro, and then here is the result of our video.
They told you it was impossible. They said you weren't good enough. They laughed at your dreams. They doubted your vision. They questioned your ambition. And for a moment, you almost believed them. You failed once. You failed twice. You fell harder than you ever expected. You gave everything and still came up short. You felt the sting of rejection. You tasted disappointment. You heard the silence when nobody clapped for you.